How to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. For this, you want to open the Instagram app, and then when you head over to your chat section, right above the chats, you're going to find the notes feature. So if this feature is not available to you, what you want to do first is head over to your profile, and then you want to tap on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings. Over here, you want to tap on the privacy option. Now you want to tap on activity status. Here you want to make sure that you have turned on your activity status. So if it is turned off, you simply want to toggle this on. Once you have done that, if you still do not find the notes feature in your Instagram, what you want to do next is head over to your Play Store. And here you want to search for Instagram. Now here, as you find the update button, you simply want to tap on the update button and make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Sometimes when your Instagram is not updated, the new features might not be available to you, so it will be available to you after the update. Now, if even after updating your app, you still do not have this feature, you simply want to uninstall Instagram and then install it again from your Play Store. And even after this, if you do not find this feature, then you just have to wait for a couple of days, because when new features are made available, it might not be available in certain regions. So your country or region might not have this feature available. So just wait for some time and this feature will be available to you. So these are some of the things that you can do to fix Instagram notes feature not showing. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.